In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to add QuickBooks and set your first backup running. We go to Add Products. We can add the QuickBooks Backup product from RedStore. This then goes away and provisions it to your organization and ready to accept the first backup. Now that QuickBooks has been added, let's go and create the first backup. We'll select Add in the top right hand corner. And we've got a choice of whether we back up the production and or the sandbox. Today we're going to back up our QuickBooks production environment. We'll need to make sure we have our QuickBooks credentials ready so that we can authenticate and allow RedStore to go and back up that data. We'll enter our QuickBooks credentials here. This then connects RedStore with QuickBooks and takes us back to the Red app. And it's as simple as that to set up and connect QuickBooks to RedStore. Thanks for watching.